until he gets encouragement. It's like you need to get out in the sun.
Oh no. He started to come back this way. That bird's like, no, 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 no. Oh, oh.
This way, this way, this way, this way. Follow my voice. Whoa, whoa.
They gave him a little treat. Pep talk. Oh, shoot. He's not real bright. Oh, there he goes. Go, go, go. Go, little guy. Go, go. Oh, shoot. There he goes again, back to the chair. Oh, he's a little higher off the ground. Oh no, here he comes back this way again. Go out in the sun. Go, go. There you go, buddy. Oh no, here he comes again. Oh no, oh no, he's coming back this way. Oh no, oh buddy. Oh. Oh, good heavens. Little guy, go back the other way. There you go. Go the other way. Go the other way. There you go. Go to the sunshine. Oh, he's making his way up. There he goes. There he goes.
They're banging him facing the wrong direction.
Oh, he's got to turn around. Face the other way, buddy. You're going to go to the window again. His little fuzzy hair, little feathers. He's going to hit the wall again. He's going to go the wrong way. Well, at least he's made it off the ground. There goes Mom and Dad again, flying around. Turn around, buddy.
There's the end. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he made it. Where'd he go?